Everyone has a hair business. It's oversaturated. Why don't you get a real job? Wah, 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 wah. No. Don't listen to the haters. Start your business. Flourish. If you're looking for a sign, this is your sign. Start your business, invest in the capital, and let the naysayers watch from the sidelines as you succeed. Because if everyone thought that way, then we wouldn't have the businesses that we know and love today. So you want to start your business? Let's help you get started, okay? I am giving out freebies in this video, so if you want to know some good vendors, watch all the way until the end, and I'll put a couple more freebies in it. Welcome to my channel. I'm gonna get you started on your business. I'm always Adele. I'm here to help you. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so. And if you are subscribed, what's up, A-team? So, when I was starting my hair business, I divided it into 3 stages. You're always going to want to start with a plan, and that plan should be derived from your end goal. My end goal was to provide and install amazing hair within my community. I wanted to customize pre-made wigs because I'm not the neatest sewer. So when I would get bundles and turn them into wigs, they would be cool or whatever, but it just took too long. And I didn't have a sewing machine, so it wasn't very efficient. And so I wanted to provide my customers with great hair, great units with great density for a decent price. And I wanted to be able to provide more range, and hand sewing wigs was just not working for me. So then in stage 2, I knew that I wanted to start selling bundles. I wanted to have bundles on hand. I wanted to have wigs on hand for at least 3 customers. So most people will order 3 to 4 bundles and a closure, or 3 to 4 bundles and a frontal. So you need to have 9 to 12 bundles on you at all times, right? For those 3 customers that you want to always be prepared for. And you're going to want to have 3 closures and 3 frontals on you at all times. So I'm currently in stage 2 of my business. Another part of stage 2 involves selling those bundles online, and not only in person, but having that online platform for you to reach the masses and really, really, really increase your sales, increase your revenue. So what else does stage 2 involve? You might wonder, what does it entail? So it also entails graphic design. You're gonna want to create a gorgeous logo, a theme, a mission statement, instructions for your website and for your bundles, and how to take care of it, business cards, things that the customer gets and they feel like, okay, this is nice, this is personal, this has, a bit of her own creative touch to it. And that is exactly why you should start your business, because nobody else is going to present those products or present that service like you do. Nobody has your personal touch. What you're selling is you. That's the secret. So look, you're going to do your graphic design, you're going to build your website, you're going to decide your pricing. So I'm still in stage 2. I'm working on that now. And I'm still mastering stage 1, if we're being completely honest, but it's all a work in progress, and there's a lot of overlap, and it's not linear. It's not going to be linear. You can work on some things that are necessary for stage 1, skip to stage 2, skip around to stage 3, and just continue to grow, as long as you know that you're constantly working and constantly moving towards that goal. My next stage that I wanted to work on is stage 3, which is doing the actual installs on people, and developing that workspace, perfecting my speed, my efficiency. Can I get the hair blow dried, laid down, and cornrowed in time, or am I really slow at that? Do I have the tools on hand that I would need to do an install? Knowing how to work in a rhythm, setting up different stations, knowing how to get your ring light and everything ready, or get your outdoor pictures for IG, promo on Instagram, on Twitter. It's you have to think about all the things that go into a business, not only into the service, but also into the promo. The next step is finding vendors. Where are you going to get your hair from? Where are you going to get it from? So you're going to want to find a bomb vendor. And so you're going to need 3 apps downloaded on your phone, which you probably may already have 2 of them. You definitely have 1 of them probably. So the first one that you probably definitely have is Instagram. You might have WhatsApp already. And then the third app that you may not have is Alibaba. On Instagram, the first thing you're going to want to do is type in what you're looking for. So do you want HD lace? Do you want 5x5 lace closures? Do you want 7x7, 6x6? Do you want Swiss lace? Do you want transparent lace, which is basically the same thing? Do you want 613 hair? You want curly hair, kinky hair, raw hair bundles? What are you looking for? What do you want to sell? Type those into the hashtags and get people's phone numbers, figure out prices, figure out wholesale options, figure out sampling options, and let's get to it. You know what I mean? So me personally, the way I started was by looking up people on Alibaba to WhatsApp to Instagram. That's the flow you're going to want to have. When you're on Alibaba, you're going to type in HD lace wig. You type in HD lace wig and almost 7,000 different options pop up. And you're like, okay, well, there's 7,000 options. That's great, right? You know, some of them have to be good. Yes, that's amazing. You have so much variety. You have so much to choose from. But how do you choose which vendor you want? How do you know which one is good? So we're going to start sifting. During your sifting process, you're going to click refine in the top right corner, and then you're going to click on the location and look at your options. I want to save you some time with the location option. If you get lucky, you might find a good vendor from Cambodia or India, but most of the vendors on Alibaba are going to be from China. Me personally, do I love the Chinese vendors? I don't love them, but it depends on what kind of hair you're trying to sell, because some of them might have the hair for you. A lot of the brands that we know and love today, Ali Pearl, Eunice, Beauty Forever, they're all from China. So like, I'm not going to sit here and say that the Chinese people sell bad hair. What I will say is that oftentimes, more often than not, their hair is mixed with synthetic fibers. When you get bundles and you look through your bundles, they may be really, really good, but you look through, you see some 1 or 2 red strands, 1 or 2 orange strands, a gold strand. Those are synthetic fibers, honey. They are. And there's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that. But if you want raw hair, then you're going to want to go find raw hair somewhere else. Not on Alibaba. Not on anything that starts with ALI. I'm not getting raw hair from there. Let's just keep it a stock. So then you're going to go down to the category. You're going to click category. And you're going to click beauty. And you're going to click that you want human hair. And then you're going to click that you want virgin hair. You want to click that you want Remy hair, which means that all the cuticles for the hair strands are aligned. There's less tangling, and they're all organized neatly on the left. And then you're going to want to leave the texture part alone. You want to explore your options, see what those vendors are hitting for, and see what they have. Once you scroll and you're scrolling, you're going to want to find their Instagram. If you can find their Instagram from their page, do that. You're going to scroll, try and find their Instagram. Once you find it, see if they're legit. One vendor who I did that for is called Luxefame. Yes, I'm giving out freebies in this video. I am giving out freebies in this video. So if you want to know some good vendors, watch all the way until the end, and I'll put a couple more freebies in the end. My rule of thumb is that for every 3 vendors that catch your eye, you listen carefully, for every 3 vendors that catch your eye, only one of them will be worth writing down. And on my first day alone of looking for hair vendors, I wrote down 60 different hair vendors down that I wanted to look up and find and sell hair from. I tried a Luxefame wig. That hair is pretty decent. I tried hair from Sally Russell. Pretty decent. Like, that, it's good hair. I would wear it on my head. Is that the hair I want to define my entire brand? Is that the hair that I want to be presenting, that is in a way representing me? Because it's my business, it's my company. Is that the hair that I would want to build my brand on? It's not. Just for me personally, I would want to confidently be able to wear hair from my own brand, knowing that, yes, this is the best hair. So a couple other brands that I tried were Kabeilu. I'm not sure how to just say the name, but I think it's Kabeilu, and Nusface, Nusface. Those were also really decent. I think that you guys should get samples from those four. I think those are great places to start. I think that you could find really good hair. And honestly, even if you don't want to start a hair business and you're just looking for some wholesale hair prices so you could put a wig on your head that doesn't cost $5 million, then yes, I would definitely recommend them. Like, it's not bad hair. The hair I'm wearing right now is from Sally Russell. It's a 5x5 HD lace unit. I really like it. I think it's good hair. But like I said again, it's not the hair that I want to build my brand on. It's not the hair that I want to promo as a part of me and a part of who I am. Do you get what I mean? Like, I would want hair that I swear by. And to be quite frank with you, I don't swear by this hair. This hair has its moments. Sometimes it can tangle and shed in the back. But once you give it a good co-wash and you get it going, it's really good. And I really appreciate Sally Russell and Luxefame and Nusface for being able to provide the 6x6 HD lace, the 7x7, the 5x5 HD and transparent lace. Chef's kiss. You want vendors that, like I said, just really depending on what you want to sell and what you want to make available that's not available, and put your magic touch on. You know what I mean? So yeah, those are some of my faves. I'm gonna link them all down below and put some phone numbers on there or whatever. And I think you guys should give them a try. And if you have any more questions or anything else that you want me to film about, then simply comment down below and let me know what more you want to see on this channel. Thank you so much for watching, my lovelies. It's always a pleasure. Peace out, A-team. Bye.